Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. This is a quick update of my allotment, and here is my lovely daughter showing you around. Enjoy!
Hello YouTube, this is Gaming Fury Girl. Remember to subscribe to them, don't subscribe to Kimmy's Kitchen. And today we'll be in the allotment, yeah. I'm gonna be quiet because we've got some neighbours. So this is Kimmy's Kitchen. Okay. Magical. I'm gonna do what my mum does.
What? Little purple ones.
Where's the purple ones at? Okay. Oh, yeah, the flowers. They're different coloured flowers then.
Come on, it's like having fun.
I'm getting my brother on camera, if you can hear me. So these are, I have no clue what they are. And no, they've got heat there. Oh, well, don't stand there. What? Oh no, it's that place. Right, so these I have no clue what, oh sorry. These I have no clue what they are as well. And here is a sunflower house. Sorry if it's really bright, it might not be. So that's the sunflower house. These also, I don't have any idea what they are, but they're quite nice. These are strawberry plants. We've already took off like half of the strawberries. And we will be getting chickens. Hey. Oh. Wait a second, guys. I need strawberries. Yeah. Here we are. You want one? Yeah. So yeah, these are our neighbour's chickens. Soon we're gonna get some chickens, and we've got a playhouse full of chickens. Weird, isn't it? And here is the greenhouse. Again, I don't know what they are. I think they might be tomato plants. I'm not actually that sure. So we've all here got all this rubbish. And these. And these look pretty. So this is our allotment. Again, I have no clue what these are. No, I don't think I've showed much on this side. And here, I have no clue what these are. I've no clue what most of these things are, but I planted these, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's... Mum just looked at me as if I'm just saying that, and it's probably true. So, these ones are in prison, same with these. And here is a person digging and trying to throw mud at me. So that, yeah, it's basically all. What? Show this. It's massive. Sorry if you can't see it because the camera is the wrong way around. I'll put it. Hello. It's more taller than me. If you can even see my hand. Yeah. That's a lot. I don't think you should do everything on this side. And here is one of the strawberries I got. It's kind of big. We get much more light redder strawberries instead of what the white. Never mind. We get much more clear strawberries. Here is the compost. I just put a massive worm in here. It's gone. And another sunflower. Sorry guys, this video is... I already have. I forgot to show something in the sunflower house. Yeah, these. But yeah, they're pretty nice. My mum already tried cutting them off. Because I don't think she planted them here. Oh. This is a big one. And it's closing in here. There's not much of an entrance. So then guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button that is just below. And subscribe to Gaming Theory Girl. My brother just looked at me. And don't subscribe to Kimmy's Kitchen. Bye! I don't know how to stop this thing, guys.